आज हम देखेंगे जो कि फिक्स प्रीपोजिशन होता है, ठीक है, इसको हम कवर करेंगे, इसको हम रट्टा मारेंगे फाइनल। नाउन विच इज फॉलोड बाय ऑफ, अबोरेंस ऑफ, अबोरेंस स्पेलिंग ध्यान रखना है, डबल आर ई, अबोरेंस ऑफ, अश्योरेंस ऑफ, चार्ज ऑफ, डाउट ऑफ, फेल्योर ऑफ, प्रूफ ऑफ, वांट ऑफ, डिस्ट्रस्ट ऑफ, एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ, ऑब्जर्वेंस ऑफ, रिजल्ट ऑफ। और कुछ एडजेक्टिव इसके साथ ऑफ आता है। एग्जाम्पल, अक्यूज्ड ऑफ, अफ्रेड ऑफ, अप्राइज्ड ऑफ, अवेयर ऑफ, बट ऑफ, सर्टन ऑफ, composed of, conscious of, conspicuous of, deprived of, devoid of, distrustful of, easy of, fearful of, greedy of, heedless of, infirm of, irrespective of, acquitted of, apprehensive of, assured of, bereft of, cautious of, characteristic of, confident of, convinced of, defrauded of, desirous of, diffident of, dull of, envious of, fond of, guilty of, ignorant of, innocent of, lame of, negligent of, proud of, sanguine of, lavish of, irresponsible of, productive of, regardless of, sensible of, slow of, sure of, tolerant of, void of, worthy of, sick of, subversive of, suspicious of, vain of, worry of, beware of। कुछ भॉर के साथ जो भी ऑफ लगता है, acquit of, boats of, despair of, disapprove of, divest of, heal of, repent of, beware of, complain of, die of द डिजीज होगा, die आपके साथ डिजीज होगा, die from the अदर थिंग, ठीक है। डिपोज ऑफ, ड्रीम ऑफ, जज ऑफ, टेस्ट ऑफ। और देखेंगे जो कि फॉर, नाउन इसके साथ फॉर आता है, अफेक्शन फॉर, ambition for, anxiety for, appetite for, play for, capacity for, compensation for, craving for, esteem for, apology for, aptitude for, candidate for, compassion for, contempt for, desire for, fitness for, fondness for, guarantee for, leisure for, maths for, need for, partiality for, pity for, pretext for, remorse for, reputation for, release for, predilection for, passion for, opportunity for, motive for, liking for, guarantee for। adjective plus for, anxious for, conspicuous for, designed for, eager for, eminent for, good for, notorious for, prepared for, qualified for, sorry for, useful for, celebrated for, customary for, destined for, eligible for, fit for, grateful for, penitent for, proper for, ready for, sufficient for, jealous for। कुछ भर इसके साथ फिक्स फॉर, अटोन फॉर, केयर फॉर, फीलिंग फॉर, मोन फॉर, स्टार्ट फॉर, शिव फॉर, यन फॉर, कैनवास फॉर, क्लामोर फॉर, होप फॉर, पाइन फॉर, स्टिपुलेट फॉर, विश फॉर। कुछ बार होता है जिसके साथ प्रीपोजिशन ऑन आता है, दैट इज कमेंट ऑन, deliberate on, determine on, embark on, enlarge on, insist on, resolve on, trample on, decide on, depend on, dwell on, encroach on, impose on, intrude on, subsist on. Noun preposition to, access to, elegance to, antidote to, approach to, attachment to, concession to, dislike to, enmity to, incentive to, invitation to, leniency to, limit to, obedience to, obstruction to, postscript to, reference to, accession to, alternative to, antipathy to, assent to, attention to, disgrace to, encourage to, accession to, indifferent to, key to, likeness to, menace to, objection to, opposition to, preface to, repugnance to, resemblance to, submission to, temptation to, sequel to, supplement to, traitor to, कुछ adjective के साथ to, abhorrent to, accessible to, incidental to, indebted to, indispensable to, inimical to, injure to, favorable to, immaterial to, indigenous to, limit to, loyal to, natural to, obedient to, offensive to, painful to, peculiar to, pledge to, acceptable to, impertinent to, inclined to, indifferent to, indulgent to, insensible to, irrelevant to, hurtful to, impervious to, liable to, lost to, material to, necessary to, obliged to, opposite to, partial to, pertinent to, preferable to, profitable to, prone to, related to, prejudicial to, prior to, reduced to, relevant to, responsible to, succor to, serviceable to, suitable to, supplementary to, true to, tantamount to, suited to, subject to, sensitive to, restricted to, repugnant to, related to, prone to, verb followed by to, accede to, adhere to, allude to, appoint to, aspire to, attend to, attribute to, conducive to, consent to, lead to, object to, prefer to, refer to, stoop to, surrender to, yield to, testify to, succumb to, revert to, return to, occur to, listen to, contribute to, conform to, belong to, attend to, assent to, ascribe to, apologize to, allot to, adopt to, adapt to, adjective followed by in, observe in, accomplish in, assiduous in, bigoted in, abstemious in, accurate in, backward in, correct in, defective in, expense in, involved in, foiled in, implicated in, involved in, profligate in, temperate in, deficient in, diligent in, fertile in, honest in, interested in, lax in, remiss in, verse in, verb followed by preposition in, involve in, persist in, acquiesce in, double in, delight in, enlist in, fall in, increase in, persevere in, indulge in, glory in, excel in, employ in, double in. Noun which is followed by with, acquaintance with, bargain with, conformity with, intercourse with, relation with, intimacy with, enmity with, compromise with, alliance with, adjective उसके साथ with, acquainted with, beset with, compatible with, consonant with, contended with, convergent with, delighted with, disgusted with, endured with, fire with, infatuated with, invested with, infested with, popular with, saturated with, touched with, affiliated with, busy with, complain with, contemporary with, contrasted with, convulsed with, delured with, drenched with, fatigued with, gifted with, infected with, inspire with, overcome with, replete with, satisfied with, verb followed by with, that is associated with, bear with, class with, comply with, condole with, correspond with, delude with, dispense with, grapple with, intrigue with, part with, remonstrate with, sympathize with, triple with, view with, side with, quarrel with, meddle with, expostulate with, feel with, disagree with, credit with, cope with, condone with, coincide with, bear with, verb उसके साथ form, abstain from, cease from, derogate from, detract from, differ from, dissent from, emerge from, exclude from, prevent from, protect from, recover from, alight from, debar from, desist from, deviate from, digress from, elect from, escape from, preserve from, prohibit from, recoil from, refrain from. इसके साथ noun के साथ from, respite from, abstinence from, deliverance from, digression from, exemption from, inference from, cessation from, dissent from, escape from.